Okay? Foot massage time for everybody.
और सोनाली अगर हम इसके अलावा अगर हम बात करें
बॉलीवुड का हिस्सा है।
I have no idea what you're talking.
You are a part of Bollywood.
Thank you.
और सोनाली
Yes.
अगर हम बायोपिक की अगर हम बात करें तो इन दिनों बहुत सारी बायोपिक की चर्चा चल रही। ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन जो आपके काफी करीब हैं, किस रोल में आप उन्हें
Again, Oriflame today.
Sonali,
Ji.
this one thing that everyone's online these days.
I'm not.
You're not.
Yes.
But we would love for you to be.
It's scary to be so open, and I'm basically a very private person. I know it sounds very funny considering the line I'm in, the career I have been in, but I think in somewhere I always dealt with it by not really telling the truth in my various times. I've always changed things, and but it's difficult to be so open and so honest for me. So this is something that I'm very wary of. My husband and my son love the technology, and I can't understand why they like it so much. So I do go through a lot of paranoia, especially where my son is concerned, which my husband keeps telling me, stop it, there's no need to be so paranoid. But I still am very paranoid about it. So yes, I'm not on any social media. Maybe one day I will get over my paranoia, and maybe I will be there. But 140 words on Twitter is very difficult. I have lots to say.
अच्छा ओरिफ्लेम की अगर हम बात
जी।
करें तो किन किन लोगों को अपने बॉलीवुड के करीबी दोस्तों को आप देना चाहेंगे आप?
You're very persistent. But I think when I stand here as a brand ambassador and say that the products are lovely, and I more than just forget who are the Bollywood people I would like to give it to. I give it to my family, which I think is nothing is more important to me than my family. And I give these products to my family and they use it. So I think that is a testimonial where I'm concerned.
Okay. Done? Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.